Okay, good day everybody. Today I'm going to play around and rekey this practice lock. I put another key in it and the darn thing doesn't fit in my case anymore. It don't fit up here. It interferes with the zipper. So, what I need to do with this one is to put the original key back in, which I think is that one. We got the keys mixed up, but hopefully the pins are in the right place. Okay. Today, what in the world? Okay. Mayor comes out. Oh, that key is just rough. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to take off this. Okay. Oh, that hurts right. That little sharp edge is digging into your palm of your hand. That is... Okay. Okay, gotta stop that little pin in there from springing out and losing it. Luckily, I got a couple of extras, and let me just get the spring out of there. Tiny little spring. Okay. Now, oh, I need a bigger follower for this lock. Oh, hold on. I gotta go searching through my kit. Okay, got the follower. This is a good bit bigger than that. I don't see why they even put a follower in there. Okay, get the key. Oh, it went back in pretty easy. Okay. 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 It's this key, and we'll just carefully put that aside. Alright. While I'm thinking about it, I want to give a shout out to ElroysToyz. That guy can pick a lock so much better than I can. It's not funny. And he is a great guy. Surprised that key even worked. Okay. Gotta keep these pins with the key. Okay. Now, let's see here. Let's get this all straightened up. Okay. Let's see if I got these pins in some sort of order here. Okay. Pin number 1. Yeah, that one's in the right one. Pin number 2. Yep, that one's in the right order. That one's good. That one's good. That one was upside down. Okay. Alright, haven't taken any meds yet. Alright. Now, we'll just slide this little critter. Let's see. That's the way I want to, yeah, I believe it is. Okay. Yeah, I'll be darned. Works out a lot better when you're not under the influence of strong meds. Okay. And put this back in. Okay. I guess I need this to put it back in too. Okay. Oh, this little thing is all chewed up. These don't last very long. I've only rekeyed these twice, once each lock. Okay. That's not on there, right? Okay. I need another turn. I don't know what's going on with this lock. There we go. I just had to have that tightened up a little bit more. Okay, let's rekey in the practice lock. And I wanted to give a shout out to Mountain Mick. That's I'll leave a link in the description there. And I should pick my 90. Yeah, I already picked it. Okay. Well, there's so much more I wanted to say, but I just can't remember it. Getting old, ladies and gentlemen. Good day.